Welcome back to MMO Trends. Today, I'll provide a detailed review of AvaTrade, one of the most reputable and popular brokers. If you're looking for a reliable trading platform with reasonable costs and modern technology, let's find out if AvaTrade is the ideal choice for you. AvaTrade was established in 2006 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. It is regulated by top-tier financial authorities, including ASIC, Australian Securities and Investments Commission, FSA, Financial Services Agency of Japan, and FSCA, Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa. Supervision by these agencies ensures AvaTrade is a safe and transparent broker for global investors. AvaTrade offers a rich product portfolio, including over 55 Forex currency pairs, precious metals like gold and silver, commodities such as crude oil and natural gas, major stock indices like S&P 500 and Dow Jones, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other digital currencies. This variety attracts both new and professional investors, providing numerous trading opportunities. AvaTrade supports advanced trading platforms like MetaTrader 4, MT4, MetaTrader 5, MT5, and its proprietary AvaTrade Geo platform. These platforms are user-friendly and equipped with comprehensive technical analysis tools, automated trading features, and other modern functionalities, allowing investors to trade easily and efficiently. Additionally, AvaTrade provides a mobile app enabling trading anytime, anywhere. AvaTrade offers various account types to suit investor needs, including the standard account with spreads starting from 1 pip and no commission fees. It also provides a free demo account for new investors to get familiar with the platform and test trading strategies. Notably, AvaTrade supports Islamic accounts that exclude swap fees for Muslim investors. AvaTrade stands out with its reasonable spreads and trading costs. Spreads on the euro to US dollar pair start from just 1 pip on the standard account, with no commission fees, optimizing costs for investors. Moreover, AvaTrade does not charge deposit or withdrawal fees, offering flexibility and cost savings for users. AvaTrade provides customer support through various channels, including email, phone, and live chat. The support team operates 24/5 and is always ready to address any questions quickly and professionally. Additionally, AvaTrade offers extensive educational materials, tutorial videos, and online webinars to help investors enhance their trading knowledge and skills. AvaTrade regularly runs attractive promotions, such as deposit bonuses, trading cashback, and loyalty programs with special benefits. These programs help investors maximize their profits and create additional trading opportunities. AvaTrade boasts several key advantages, including low spreads, competitive trading costs, modern and user-friendly trading platforms, and a diverse product portfolio that includes cryptocurrencies. It also offers professional and prompt support services. However, the platform has some drawbacks, such as customer support not being available 24/7 and relatively high minimum deposit requirements for certain account types. AvaTrade is an ideal broker for investors seeking a safe trading environment, reasonable costs, and modern platforms. With its diverse product range and attractive promotional programs, AvaTrade is undoubtedly a worthy choice for both new and experienced investors. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have any questions or would like to share your trading experiences with AvaTrade, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to MMO Trends and turn on notifications so you won't miss other exciting videos. Wishing you successful trading, and see you in the next videos.